Welcome back to Pats.
Welcome back.
Yes, very light mice. It's comparison videos for y'all. So we got the Coolermaster Master Mouse 710 and the glorious Modelo Minus. Same price, $50.
Yeah.
Very, very cheap. And you get actually really good mice. So which one's better in our opinion? We'll let you guys know. If you guys want to get either of these, we'll leave links below because they are readily available. I'm not sure about the Modelo Minus. I think it might have sold out.
You can probably find it on Amazon for roughly the same price, I would say.
Okay. All right. So we'll try to leave links below if you guys want to get it and help us out. But yeah, let's get it started off with the shape.
Yep.
Shape.
MM710, as we've stated before, that arch in there is way towards the back. It's significant, it's out there, and then the fall off is just, there's a huge fall off here.
Yeah.
So that's something to note.
Like, guys, look at this. That's crazy. You know, like, look at how, different the shape is. So the arch in the Modelo Minus is more in the middle. And I don't know, like, as far as the length goes, the Modelo Minus is around 5 to 8 millimeters longer. As far as the width goes, the MM710 feels a little bit wider. So I don't know, for me, I like a narrower grip. I like to really grip my mice. I feel like a wider grip, especially where your pinky and your thumb go. The MM710 is a little bit wider.
MM710 looks pregnant, bro.
Yeah,
I mean, like,
it does. It does. You know what I'm saying? Look at that.
Yeah.
You pregnant, bro? Are you pregnant? You know what I'm saying? So, but as far as versatility of the shape goes, I feel like the Modelo Minus is a little bit better because I like palming the Modelo Minus a little. The MM710, I don't like palming that much. It doesn't feel very comfortable for me. Lucas likes it. I don't like it personally. That's just our difference of opinions. So palm grip, a little bit better in the Modelo Minus. As far as the size of hand for palm grip, we would say just small to medium should be good. If you have large size hands, it's not going to be. Yeah, exactly.
Either way you go, you're
for finger tipping, they're both incredible. I love it. But for me, the Modelo Minus, the length of my hand is 174 millimeters long, and I can feel the back of the mouse here a lot less in the Modelo Minus. The MM710, right here, I can feel against the palm of my hand. It's a lot shorter, so I can't feel it on the bottom. So that's a little bit better. You know what I'm saying? So if I, flick down, I can't feel it hit right here as much, but I can feel my knuckles hitting the MM710.
Yeah.
The Modelo Minus is just so low profile that I can't feel it on my knuckles, but I can feel it on the bottom of my palm a little bit more if I flick down and stuff. So it's all preference on what you like, what feels a little bit better. You get a little bit more support in your knuckles or whatever in the MM710. The Modelo Minus not as much. Feels a little bit more fingertip grip, a true fingertip grip, because you can really just only use fingertip on this. You know what I'm saying? You can in both, but you can feel the knuckles hit the mouse in the MM710 a little bit more. So for me, as far as shape goes, I like the Modelo Minus. What do you like better?
I prefer the MM710 actually. I feel myself getting a wider variety of grips on this guy. However, I can use both. I have no issue with both as far as using palm or fingertip, any of that. I just feel like the MM710 is a little bit more comfortable for my style of play. That's why it's difficult to choose which one is the best between these two.
Yeah.
We try to figure out which one's the best for you, given our reviews, essentially.
Yeah, we just want to tell you guys how it feels,
Yeah.
So how does this feel, what's the shape and stuff. So as far as the weight goes, the MM710 is around 52 to 54 with the cord, 54 grams, and then the Modelo Minus 59, 58. Yeah, around there.
That's very accurate to what they have on their website.
Exactly, with the cord though, So it's a little bit heavier in the Modelo Minus, but it's they both feel super light. I don't really notice too crazy of a difference, but the MM710 is super light. So, so not a huge difference there. I feel like a light mouse, they're both really good.
Absolutely.
As far as the feet go, let's see. So I have a hard mouse pad here and a soft mouse pad there. They're both incredible. Yeah, they both slide like a lot. I would say the Modelo Minus slides a little bit. No, pretty similar.
Yeah.
As far as on the soft pad, they're both
They both quick. Feel much better than stock mouse feet for sure. One thing, as we noted before, in the MM710, very, very thin mouse feet, but they have extra ones in the box to remedy that.
Oh yeah, dude, look at
the Modelo Minus has got some thick boy mouse feet.
Look at that, yeah, it's twice as thick. You see that? That's crazy. So, they do give you extra mouse feet though, which is good.
Yeah. All right. So moving on to the next category, being the buttons. Now the Model O Minus fixed the issue that was in the Model O. However, there's a lot of side play. There's still a little bit, but honestly, it's not noticeable for me when I'm playing with it. Whereas the MM710, I mean, it's just... It's pretty bad.
I mean, if you press really hard, then you really notice. If you're just like light clicking, then you don't notice it as much in the MM710. Yeah. But like obviously, if you're tracking and stuff, and you have to hold down the button or whatever. I still notice the Model O Minus side travel. Yeah. So that's kind of annoying, but the MM710 is a good amount worse. So just watch out for that. As far as just lightly clicking it, they both feel great, dude. Yeah, they both feel awesome. Like really similar. I believe they're both using Omron switches rated for 20 million clicks, which is good. It's the actual build quality of the mouse click that's not as good, you know, in the MM710. As far as the side buttons go, it's only on the left side. They're both ambidextrous mice, but the side buttons are only on the left side. And I mean, as far as the size goes, the MM710 is a little bit larger. Yeah. But for the clicks, they both feel really similar. There's a lot of travel distance, and the actuation force is pretty easy to click.
I like what the MM710 did with having that that sort of protrusion, where like protrudes out into your finger a little bit, so you can feel it a little better.
It's like a point.
It's like goes up to a point, and you can feel it. So it's very you can feel it on your fingers, which is nice.
But like as far as the protrusion goes, they both look like they protrude out a lot. So that's good.
Neither of them are difficult to press by any means.
Yes. As far as the scroll wheel goes, the MM710 is incredible. It's really nice, very tactile, small steps. And just it feels awesome. The Model O Minus, it feels great, but it feels a little bit mushier. You know, like the steps aren't as defined as the MM710.
But it's got RGB, so it beats everything.
Of course,
obviously.
Of course. And of course, you have a DPI button on top. I mean, as far as the buttons, they both feel really similar. They both feel great, but the MM710 has that build quality issue, so just watch out for that. Alright, so moving on to the core.
These guys are two titans as far as the core goes.
Incredible.
I mean, the Ascended cord on the Glorious Mice is just, as you know, it's already fantastic. Yeah. It's great. But the MM710 is the first cord we've seen that has beaten that out.
Yes.
And let's just get this straight. Neither of these you will feel at all when you're playing games with them. This is just from nitpicky sort of like reviewer style of testing. Yeah. That we've noticed the MM710 just has like the best cord out of the ones we've tried.
Yeah, very flexible and easy to move, you know? So like it doesn't, it's not stiff to like when you push it, it doesn't move the mouse. But obviously the Model O Minus is still incredible. Yeah. Like Lucas said, nitpicking, but the MM710 feels a little bit better.
Yeah. And then moving on to durability / build quality. I mean, for $50, Model O Minus has got some solid build quality. I mean, I've never had any issues with build quality except for the little bit of side play on the buttons. Yeah. But that's it. The MM710, as we've talked about before, is just, I mean, the build quality, it's lacking.
And like the what do you call it? The sidewall, you can press it in and stuff. There's a little bit of a rattle in the MM710 as well. If you shake it, Model O Minus, nothing. I just noticed there's no holes on the side of the Model O Minus, but they have holes
flexing on us.
Yeah. So there's that.
Moving on to the final category, being the software / the RGB. RGB, obviously Model O Minus wins. They've got some fantastic RGB. Looks great. Software on both of these guys are functional and optional. So if you don't want to use it, you don't have to. I like the Coolermaster software. I like the look and feel of it. But again, it's just the software.
I do like that there is a DPI indicator in the Model O Minus.
That is a huge thing actually.
Yeah, there's a color indicator to know what DPI setting you're on. There's none in the Coolermaster. It's just a little minor thing though, because as a gamer you know, and you kind of know like if you move the mouse, but like it's still nice to know exactly what your DPI is with the color, But yeah, wrapping things up, both $50. Both very different as far as like the shape goes, That's probably like the main thing, Like the skates are incredible in both. The buttons are nice, The cord is incredible and all that. Both $50, super cheap. But the build quality is just not there in the MM710. You know what I'm saying? Because like other than that, I would say they're both really nice. Besides the only difference being the shape. So like in my opinion, personally, I like the Model O Minus. I like the lower profile shape of the Model O Minus, but like the MM710 is still really nice for me.
Yeah, for sure.
And you like the MM710 shape a little better. Right?
I do like the MM710 shape better. So again, fix these build quality issues, Coolermaster, and I will daily drive this guy. Yeah. But given the issues with that, for $50, I'm going with the Model O minus here. I mean, the RGB is sick. I love that. It's such a
I turn it
small
off.
feature, but like I love it.
Yeah,
You know.
I do like the RGB, but I like to turn it off. You know what I'm saying?
But yeah, just build quality issues because it's the Achilles heel of the MM710. I'd go with the Model O minus on this guy.
Yeah, that's what we're recommending.
Yep.
So, anyways, that's it. Again, if you guys want to get it, we'll leave links below. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys next time.
See you in the next one.